In this video, I will show you how to get great deals at Etsy by setting up the PriceLasso price tracker. Etsy has fantastic handmade goods, and PriceLasso shows you historical prices with price history and also sends you email alerts when the price drops to the amount you want. By waiting a few weeks, you can often save money and avoid missing sales at Etsy. To start price tracking, just create a free PriceLasso account here. Add our browser extension and go to any Etsy product page. Once you select the options, you'll see our green PriceLasso button appear. And once you click it, you'll see that the product is added to your alerts dashboard, and you can customize the alert price, which is the price that you get an email at. By default, it's set to 10%, but you can make it any amount. And you can also see price history for any product. In addition to Etsy, PriceLasso also can track prices at other large stores like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and many more, and works for all the major browsers. I'm currently using Chrome, but PriceLasso will also work on Edge, Firefox, and even Safari for iPhone.